Think your parking lot or traffic intersection is fully secured at night? Think again. What you're about to see will change how you see surveillance. Introducing the ACT Q550, an AI-powered, 8MP outdoor multi-imager with active deterrence and full-color night vision. It's not just a camera, it's your next-level security solution. Let's start with imaging. The Q550 features an 8MP multi-imager sensor with a 180 degrees panoramic view. It replaces multiple cameras, covering large areas like plazas or traffic junctions with one device. That means fewer units, less cabling, and reduced costs, without compromising visibility. See in color, even in darkness. Q550's white LED offers 24/7 clarity, either always on or AI triggered. Perfect for underground lots or unlit streets, it captures faces, clothes, and vehicles clearly. The 130 dB WDR balances harsh lighting for sharp images, day or night. Next, AI-powered detection. From line crossing and area intrusion to crowd detection and sound alerts, Q550 helps you manage real-time risks. It filters out false alarms like leaves and shadows, letting your team focus on real security threats. When threats appear, Q550 reacts. With white LEDs, red-blue strobes, and a 3W speaker for audio alerts, it deters intrusions automatically. It's like having a proactive guard on site, reducing manual checks and boosting response time. Built for action, Q550 offers DIDO, dual mics, audio I/O, and strong IP67 and IK10 ratings. Whether integrating alarms or public announcements, it's made for tough environments, from traffic control to emergency response. Why Q550? It rivals premium brands like Axis but at 30 to 50% lower cost. You get powerful AI, active deterrence, and seamless integration, ideal for cities, factories, or government sites. For integrators, it's smart, simple, and budget-friendly. Don't wait for security gaps to show. Upgrade with ACT Q550, your all-in-one solution for AI, deterrence, and reliability. Whether retrofitting or starting fresh, this is the camera that does it all. Contact us now for details or a demo.